folks. Got two of them here trying to pull them out. Got two people hooked up. Got to do it all at once. Ready, go! Very well. Yeah. Have to try to pull them out from the front. Yeah.
I guess not.
He's in there pretty darn deep, folks. Can't get him up over that bank. It's that bank right there. There's that bank right there. That bank. Gotta get over that bank. Can't pull that thing up that high. Yeah, it's deep. Look at that. Yeah. How far down that is now. It's way down there. Way down there. Gotta try to get it up through here. Yeah, we're in there good now, folks. So. Yeah.
Just dive. Belly pop.
Yeah.
Here, Caleb's going to mud rider new bank.
I think I'll stay right
Alright. Guards, put Chris on the back of your truck. We need more than 8,000.
Yeah. Can't pull him from the front?
And nothing to hook to.
Nothing to hook to. Wow.
No one got a shovel?
Start digging?
Dog says, see, it was nothing.
Wow.
I made it.
Yeah. We have no winch this time, folks, so trying to figure out what to do here.
Guards gonna have you back to the Yoda.
He's gonna try to hook to the front somewhere, I don't know.
Hey, get your foot. Guard.
That's some muddy crap down there. Well, folks, looks like it's gonna be a little while to get this thing pulled out. Well, doggy, huh? Well, fun for all ages. Well, see that? Getting into his work there. See that, folks? He just loves hugging that tire. Oh. Yeah.
Get it hooked? No. Yeah, but tell me you didn't have to know. You had to know. There was no water in here. You had to know.
Yeah.
I knew.
Yeah.
Oh, you knew what?
he knew not to go, but he tried anyway. So we got to give him credit. Just trying to get him out. We'll get him out. Wow, look at that. Making some goopy so he can stand. Oh,
I couldn't even
sloppy.
move it. Just suction cup right to it. I couldn't even move it.
When I pulled in, I can do this.
Oh, goopy, gloppy.
Last time were buried in here, weren't you? It was full of water. I did it before.
Yeah, my uncle.
Yeah, I think everybody's been buried in this place. All right. Thanks for watching.